because he's constant motion.
Ooh!
So right now, he looks like he's just playing up the line of scrimmage. He gets clean.
Ooh, get it!
Then it's going to be 8 man.
Get it!
See how many miles I travel. What they end up in is a couple of all right, you got 2 safety. All right.
Hello, phone's ringing. Ready? Can you say green light go? Green light go. On your mark, get set,
Go!
green light go. Yeah. Milk and everything. How about this? Why don't you leave milk at the finish line? Okay. Oh, I get you. And you get daddy. I got you.
Alright, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna. Oh,
I got you, Daddy.
Smash, can you take the heat?
Can't get up.
Let's smash that bucket. There we
Get
go.
up. Oh, good one. You just like a turtle. Again. Okay, I'll stack them. Oh, you mean hit Daddy again?
No.
No, okay.
Mommy, come on, Mommy.
All right, I'm come on in. I'm stacking.
Mommy, come on, me.
Am I too slow?
Mommy, come on, Mommy.
Do you want me to go?
Is now good for you, Oh?
Mommy.
You want me to race you? You too? Want me to?
Green light, go!
Green light, go! Again. All right, okay, I'll take you this time. Green light. Green light, go. Big one. Green light, go. What's this stroll?
Lame.
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 So we stop.